Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial here on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. This Excel tutorial has the goal to teach you about AutoFill. AutoFill will make your job in Excel more efficient. AutoFill give us the opportunity to create a sequential numeric series or sequential dates series. We can create a series of dates, series of weekdays using this autofill. I will start with creating a numeric series using autofill. So let's do a hands-on example. In this way you will understand better how this tool autofill in Excel works. So I'm going to type here two numbers, random numbers, doesn't matter, you can type any numbers in these cells, so be it 1 and 2. To create a series of numbers, you will select these two cells, these two numbers, and go to bottom right hand, and when the cursor will change the shape and color from white to black as it is now on your screen, press the left side of the mouse and keep the finger pressed on the left side of the mouse and drag these two cells, and as you can see on the right side next to the cursor appear a box, and there is a number which is showing you up to which number your numeric series reached, or up to which number you want your numeric series to be. Now it's 8, 9, 10, 11, and so on. I want this series of number to be sequential up to 20. Yeah, so I go up to 20. As you can see, now there is 20 in the box. I release the mouse and autofill filled automatically autofill all these cells from 1 up to 20, as you can see. So this is the one option to use the autofill to create a numeric series in Excel. Another option to create numeric series is to type just one number. In my case 1, select a cell, press the Control key from your keyboard. I'm using a PC Windows. I think for Macintosh is Command. I'm not 100% sure, just I suppose. So I press the Control key, and I keep press the Control key on my keyboard. And after I go with the mouse here on the bottom right hand, and when the cursor is changed the shape and the color from white to black, I drag this number. Also again appear that the box, as you can see, and the numbers up to my numeric series will be this at this moment 4, 5, 6, 7. I want the sequential numeric series to be up to 7. Be careful at this moment. You have to release first the mouse and after the Control key. If you do another way around, you will release first the Control key and after the mouse. The autofill will not create a sequential number, as you can see now on the screen. The autofill will copy the cell, this number 1, if you release first the Control key. So you have to release first the mouse and after the Control key to create this sequential numeric series. Okay, this is the another option to create a sequential numeric series using autofill in Excel. You can create a numeric series using a gap. Yeah, for example, or you want to use a step. For example, I want to use the gap 10 between numbers in my numeric series. I type here 0, and the next cell I'm going to type 10. Yeah, all right. I select these two cells and I drag these two cells, yeah, up to 100. As you can see, again, that white box appear there, and I know in any moment where my series is up to which number. So I want this numeric series to be up to 100. Yeah, now I release the mouse, and here is my series, which has a gap or a step of 10. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, up to 100. So you can create in this way numeric series using AutoFill in Excel. Yeah. Also, you can create a series of dates or of weekdays. Let's start with weekdays. I start the first day of the week, like Monday. Yeah, I select a cell and I drag down this cell up to Sunday. Also, as you can see appear there, the white box, which is showing me where I get with my weekdays series. Yeah, now I get to Thursday. The next one is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now I get to the last weekday. I release the mouse and AutoFill filled in all these cells with weekdays. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday up to Sunday. Also, the same thing I can do with month of the year. I start with January and I type in just the first three letters of the month. For example, for January, just JAN. Yeah, I select the cell and I drag this cell down up to July. Yeah, and the AutoFill will fill in automatically the next month of the year, February, March, up to July. I can create using AutoFill a series of dates. For example, today is 11 February 2021. Yeah. Okay. I drag this cell down and AutoFill will create this series of dates. Yeah. In ascending order. 12 February, 13 February, 14 February, and so on, up to 17 February 2021. Also, you can copy text using AutoFill in Excel. For example, if I type here text, yeah, and I drag this down, AutoFill will copy all the text in the next cells, as you can see. So, as you can see, AutoFill is a very efficient method to work in Excel. But you should be careful because by mistake or accidentally, you can remove from options this tool AutoFill, and you may be wondering why this AutoFill tool doesn't work. So I go here on File, Options, and Advanced. And you have here this option in editing options. Enable fill, handle, and cell drag and drop. As you can see now is ticked, is checked. That means the AutoFill tool is enabled, it's working. But if this is unchecked and I click OK, you will see the AutoFill tool doesn't work anymore. I type here 1, 2, I select these two cells, and as you can see, the cursor doesn't change the shape and the color. And as you can see, the AutoFill tool doesn't work. So Excel doesn't autofill the next numbers after 2, doesn't create that sequential numeric series anymore. If I type here Monday, for example, I can't fill in the next cells with the next weekdays. So AutoFill actually will not fill the cells with the next weekdays. Yeah. So AutoFill doesn't work anymore. Why? Because here in options, this option from advanced editing options is unchecked, is not enabled. So check this again. Okay, and let's drag again these cells. And now, as you can see, AutoFill works perfectly. So again, AutoFill filled automatically the cells as I dragged those cells down. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Hopefully you understand my explanations. I'm waiting for you to watch my other video tutorials on my YouTube channel, IT Tutorials. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.